Hello students, welcome in this video. I am going to solve exercise 2.5. Okay, it is all about division. Now I am going to tell you a very important property regarding division. So let's continue. For example, if you divide a number by another number, let the number is 17, and if you divide this number by 2, so you know that it is 2 8 ja 16 and 1 is remainder. So this is a property that if you multiply both these and add 1, okay, so multiply these and add 1, you will get 17. It means 2 into 8 plus 1 equals 17. So it is the mathematical statement, and this is stated as divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Now I am going to write the property. So this can be written as dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, now this property is followed by every division, whether the remainder is 0 or not. Now I am going to solve questions one by one. So first question is divide and check the quotient. As you know what is quotient, okay, so you must know what is quotient, what is remainder, what is dividend and the divisor. Now this is first question, first part. So we have to divide 92619 by 123. Okay, so the first three digits are 926. So if you write the table, you can check that this divides 7 times, as it is 861. After subtraction we have 65, copy this one, and it divides 5 times, that is 615. After subtraction we have 36, then copy this 9, it is 369, and finally it divides 3 times. So we have 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6 and 3 1 ja 3. Remainder is 0. So our answer is 753. You have to write your answer. It is quotient. Okay, so you have to write quotient is 753. This is answer of first part. Now move to second part. Second part is divide. It is a very big number, 6079 and 20. This is the dividend, and our divisor is again a very big number, 816. Okay, so if you write the table, it is 816 7 ja 5712. Now after subtraction we have 367, copy this 2, and next time it divides 4 times. The number is 3264, that is 3264. After subtraction we have 408. Now copy this 0, last 0, and it comes 5 times. So 5 6 ja 30, 3 carry, 5 1 ja 5 plus 3 8, and 5 8 ja 40. So the remainder is 0. Now 745 is the quotient, so you can write quotient is 745. This is the answer. Okay, move to next question. Okay, this part is not seventh part, this is the fourth part. So it is fourth part. Now I will solve 3 out of 6 parts. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में टोटल 6 पार्ट्स हैं, हम 3 पार्ट्स करेंगे. फर्स्ट एंड फोर्थ इज डन. आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व 6th पार्ट. ओके, सो 6th पार्ट इज डिवाइड 30,400 30,400 by 64. So for your convenience, I am going to write the table of 64. It is 64, then 128, then 192, okay, then 256, next is 320, then 384, 448, 512. So in this way you can complete the table. Then if you check the table carefully, 64 divides 4 times, okay, that is 256, because 320 will be bigger. So after subtraction we have 48, copy 0, it is 480, 64 7 ja 448, it is 448. After subtraction you have 32, copy this last 0, we have 320, and from the table it is 5 times. So it is 5 times 64, 5 ja 320, remainder is 0. So the quotient will be 475. You can write your answer. Quotient is 475. Okay students, so first question is completed. Remaining 3 parts will be solved by you in the homework. आपको असाइनमेंट में जो भी होमवर्क मैं दूंगा उसमें रिमेनिंग 3 पार्ट्स सॉल्व करने हैं. ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, इट इज़ द टाइम टू सॉल्व सेकंड क्वेश्चन. All the questions are important. Second question is, find the greatest 7-digit number which is exactly divisible by a greatest 3-digit number. अब आपको ये पता है कि 7 डिजिट का ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर 7 टाइम्स 9 होता है, करेक्ट, एंड 3 डिजिट का ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर 999 होगा. बट हमें वो नंबर फाइंड करना है जो 999 से कम्प्लीटली डिविजिबल हो, मीन्स एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल. It means remainder should be 0. So there is a particular method which is used to solve this kind of question. Now what is that method? I am going to tell you. See, we have to divide this number. So write 7 times, 1 2 3 4 and 7, and write 9 3 times, because this is a 3-digit biggest number and this is the 7-digit biggest number. Now try to divide this. So you know that 999 1 ja 999, there is subtraction, we have 0. Now copy this 9. Now division not possible, write 0. Again copy this 9. Okay, so 99 is not divisible, again write 0 here, and next right, copy this 9. So it is divisible now. 991 1 ja 991. Now after subtraction we have 0, and copy this 9 here, we have 9. Now you have to subtract this number, that is the remainder, from the dividend. So we write required number is write 7 times 9 -9. आपको क्या करना है, ये जो भी रिमाइंडर हमें मिला है 9, इसको इस नंबर से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. ओके, सो द आंसर विल बी 9999 and 990. So it is 6 times 9 then 0. So just do the subtraction, as I hope that positively you will solve this. So this is the biggest 7-digit number which is completely divisible by 999. Note it down. Next question is third. It is find the greatest 4-digit number that is exactly divisible by 42. As you know, 4-digit number is 9999, but अगर ये 42 से exactly divisible होगा तो remainder 0 होगा, otherwise we have to check it. So may or may not be, this will be the final answer. अभी हम श्योर नहीं कर सकते. So you have to divide this number. Now perform the division. So write this number 9999 and here 42. So just write the table of 42. Then you can see that 42 2 ja 84, and after subtraction we have 15. copy this 9, then 42 3 ja, okay, it is 6 and 3 4 ja 12, then it is 33, again copy this 9, 339, and it is 8 ja, 8 2 ja 16, 1 carry, and 8 4 ja 32 plus 33. So after subtraction we have 3. Now you can see that this number is not exactly divisible by 42 because remainder is not 0. जब ये नंबर 0 होता है तभी डिवीजन कंप्लीट होता है, एग्जैक्ट डिवीजन होता है. सो द रिक्वायर्ड नंबर इज 9999 minus 3, that is 9996. It is the required number. Okay, so this is question number 3. This is third question. Okay students, note it down. Now question number 5, I am going to solve fifth question. Fourth question आपको करना है students. So fifth question is division does not distribute over addition. Justify your answer with the help of example. What is the meaning of this? So division does not distribute over addition. For example, take any three values like 16 divisible 16, then division 2 plus 6. For example, we are going to distribute division over addition. It means हम क्या लिखेंगे राइट साइड में 16 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 एंड प्लस 16 डिवाइडेड बाय 6. सो इट इज़ नॉट इक्वल बिकॉज डिवीज़न कैन नॉट बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी है बट डिवीज़न में हम यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. नाउ टू प्रूव दिस, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ LHS. LHS इज 16 divisible 16 then division 2 plus 6. It is 16 divided by 8, that is 2. Okay, and on the right hand side we have 16 divided by 2 and plus 16 divided by 6. Okay, so it is 8 plus 16 upon 6. Now it is 8 plus, okay, it is 8 upon 3, and finally it is 8 3 ja 24 and plus 8 32 upon 3. So we have simplified RHS. 16 upon 6 is divided by 2, so 8 upon 3, it is 24 plus 8. Okay, it is 32. You can see that LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay students, both sides are not equal. तो LHS की वैल्यू 2 है और RHS में 32 upon 3 है. Both are not equal. Hence we can say that the statement which we have written is true. So division को हम addition पर distribute नहीं कर सकते. We have to prove this thing. Okay, note it down. Now I am going to solve seventh question. After fifth, it is seventh. You will do sixth question in your assignment. So students, question number 7 is find the number which when divided by 57 gives 39 as the quotient and 7 as the remainder. Now you have to write the division algorithm. Okay, division, you can say division algorithm. So firstly write the division algorithm. It is dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so we have to put the values of these given in the question. So question is find the number which when divided by 57. It means you have to find a particular number. Now put all the values. तो आपको अच्छे से चेक करना है कि कौन सी वैल्यू डिवाइजर की है, कौन सी क्वोशेंट की है और कौन सी रिमाइंडर की है. ओके, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द डिविडेंड बिकॉज इट इज़ आस्क्ड दैट फाइंड द नंबर विच व्हेन डिवाइडेड बाय. तो हम डिविडेंड को किससे डिवाइड करते हैं? डिवाइजर से. मीन्स डिविडेंड इज डिवाइडेड बाय डिवाइजर. सो वी हैव टू राइट डिविडेंड equals divisor. So divisor is 57 into quotient. So 39 as the quotient it is given. So we write 39 plus remainder is 7. Okay. Again, if you multiply both these values, you get 2, 2, 2 and 3, then plus 7, and finally if you add these you get 2230. So this is the number, required number. मीन्स ये जो नंबर है ये डिविडेंड है. अगर हम इसको 57 से डिवाइड करें तो 39 क्वोशेंट होगा और 7 रिमाइंडर होगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नोट इट डाउन. I am going to solve 10th question. This is the last question of this exercise. You will solve question number 8 and 9 in the assignment. So let's do this question. Question number 10. It is on dividing 34,567 by 92. The remainder is 67. Find the quotient. So if you face this type of question, always think about the division algorithm. So I am going to write division algorithm. It is again dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. So put all the respective values. Dividend, so it is given that on dividing 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it means the dividend is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, very interesting number, and equals 92 into x. X is the quotient because the theorem is divisor into quotient plus remainder. So it is divisor, it is quotient and remainder. So the remainder is 67 because it is given in the question. Now this is an equation. Okay, we have to find the value of x. So it is 92x equals 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and minus 67. Again 92x equals, if you subtract 67 from this number, we have 34500. Finally we have to find out the x. So जब भी आपको x पता करना हो, आपको इस नंबर को 92 से डिवाइड करना होगा because it is a linear equation and the multiplication is converted into division on other side. It means x is 34500 upon 92. Now I am going to perform division here. So you have to divide by 92 and this is the dividend 34500. If you write the table, you can see it is 3 times and the number is 276. Okay, 276. After subtraction you have 69, then copy this 0, then it divides 7 times. 92 7 ja 644. Okay, after division we have 46 and it divides 5 times completely. We have to copy this 0 also. So it divides 5 times and we have 92 5 ja 460. The remainder is 0. So the value of x, okay, means the quotient. It is asked in the question, find the quotient. So quotient is 375. Write the answer. Quotient is 375. This is the answer. So students, in this video you knew that how to solve the division, that is normal division, and how to solve other questions related to division. Sometimes we need to find quotient, sometimes we need to find divisor and sometimes the remainder. तो क्वेश्चन में कुछ भी गिवन हो सकता है. If you know the division algorithm in a proper way, you can solve the questions. So this is the division algorithm. Okay, this one is the division algorithm and you can put all the related values. Okay, and you can find the required quantity. Okay students, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do practice regularly. Try to solve the questions in your assignment. Good day.